All right, everybody, welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only E Motorcycle Channel. This is Bangas. Today, I have an accessory for my 2024 LiveWire S2 DelMar. Yes, I've had this for about 2 months or more. It's just I have a whole lot of stuff going on that could allow me to review these items that I purchased off of Timu. I believe I purchased either Timu or AliExpress. Either one of the two. I bought it from there. It's been a while. That's the reason why. So, but today is that day. I'm about to do a review on this accessory. If this is your first time viewing this channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. I appreciate all of you dropping comment in the comment section. Some recommendations, some are positive, and some are just a recommendation, and also some are just discussing about the issue on the video. And I appreciate that. Continue to drop your comment. I appreciate that. Okay. With all that being said, let's go ahead and check that what's inside this box out. Okay. Uh, let's go ahead. And then let me take this out of the bag. Sorry if this is moving around a little bit. All right, so I'm going to take this out of the bag, and this is the interior um, accessory, and got two more, and these are the straps and the bag for weatherproof. Nothing else more than just your travel security guard. I don't know what that means. I believe that's for the lock. It does have a lock, so I'm gonna find out about that. So let me drop the box. I don't need this box no more. So here's a box. So I say here's the bag, the saddle bag. So this has ABS plastic case. So and as you can see, and that's another reason why I thought it was going to be a full ABS case, but I guess this is what it is. But I don't think I'll be using uh this number locks, whatever it's called, to lock the bag, because let's see, if someone wants to steal the stuff, they're gonna cut somewhere and steal the bag, steal your stuff. So I just need more space to keep my stuff in there. So, and I really like this. So right now, here is the saddle bag, and let me see here. Where's the zipper? Okay, here's the zipper, and it does have another interior bag that protects just in case of rain weather, and this is big enough to fit in motorcycle helmet, so it is expandable. So let me go ahead to the other one as well, and here's the second one. It looks exactly like the one that I had, that I gave away on my VFR 800. That one was tearing off a little bit. I mean, it could be fixed if you have a sewing machine or just a needle and a thread to put. I just didn't have time for it, so I give it away with the sales of the motorcycle. So the same thing, as you can see, it's waterproof. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this together, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So I decided to go ahead and put this on the bike now. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start putting all the parts together for the saddlebag. So this is the bar. I think let's see here. There's not a lot of instructions on how to put this, so I'm just going to just brainstorm and just put this together and see how it goes. So I'm going to fast forward this process so that you guys won't have to watch all that. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so I decided the long piece to cut a little bit off of it, like about an inch off or half an inch, about a half an inch off for it to fit because it wasn't fitting in. So I'm gonna do the same thing, measure it together, and the other half as the little one as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that right now and make sure that fits. All right, so right now I already cut this part as well, the little piece off. Hopefully they fit in correctly. I didn't cut it too much or too short. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the bag, put it inside the bags. Now it is a hard standing bag. We'll go ahead and zip this up. I love this. Oh yes, this is nice. I haven't removed the plastic yet, so I'm gonna keep it that way. So let me go ahead and put in the second one. All right, so I got the two bags ready and ready to be placed on the bike. Yep, so they are ready to be placed on the bike. They're ready to be placed on the bike. So let me go ahead and remove the seat and take care of that. All right, so right now I have the bag here, and so I'm about to start putting the straps in. So I'm going to try and see how it works to put it together because there's no manual for it. So yeah, let me go ahead. It's coming along. I kind of like it. Kind of like the way it feels. So now how it looks. So I like the fact that it is wide enough to put stuff in it. So all right, I'm about to go ahead and get the stuff and fast forward the video. All right, welcome back. So right now it is all clamped in. Just make sure that when I mean, there's a little bit of space here. I remember I have to fix it later, but because the bag, um, the side, like the Velcro side, is thick, so you will have to um, put a little bit of pressure, clamping down the seat. Let me make sure this is in correctly. Looks like it shifted a little bit because so I might have to adjust it a little bit. So let me go ahead and adjust this. Looks like it should be fine. So this one appears to be fine. I mean, it's still gonna move a little bit, but it's not a hard case. All right, so let me know in the comment section if you have a better way of putting it. But I mean, so far I did it really great because it is fabric and ABS case on the outside. I would say textile. That's what it is. A textile, um, a waterproof textile, and ABS hard case on the side. So it's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be like a plastic hard case, but it is good. I like it. I really like it. So let me go ahead and sit on the bike and see how it feels. So let me go ahead and sit on the bike and see how it feels. So I got um, the rear bag, the motorcentric, which I did a video of that earlier. So, but yeah. So let me go ahead and sit on the bike. All right, looks good. All right, looks good. Sorry if I was wearing a slide. If you see that, I just don't feel like it's late. I mean, see, right now it is 11:42 p.m. So, but it looks good, and I love the fact that it has a reflective light in the back, especially for during the night. So let me go ahead and remove the plastic now. I can't do that now, so now it's gonna be against the street. A lot of scratch marks, road debris. So it does have a lock, but I'm not gonna use it because the previous one that I had, the lock wasn't that it wasn't that good. Like somehow the combination lock wasn't working no more. So where's the lock? I think it is at the bottom here. Okay, it is right here. But I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna leave it. And it kind of looks like maybe it is missing a strap or so, another strap. I'm not sure, but I don't recall unless it's supposed to anchor with the other side. I'll probably have to because I did tie like a knot over there, so it's a possibility. It is supposed. Let's see here. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'm doing it right. Um. Yep. Let me know, and I will try and fix that. All right. So let me know what you think in the comment section about this saddlebag for my 2024 LiveWire is to DelMar. So let me know what you think about this. If you're gonna get one, I do have a link to the Temu website that you can use to purchase one of these. Just letting you know, disclosure, I do have affiliate link for all my accessory links. So just letting you know, every time you purchase one of these items, you are supporting this channel. And also, if you are accessory manufacturer, EV accessory manufacturer, or accessory manufacturer for a motorcycle or for my EV9, please feel free to reach out at kilowatt hour only ev@gmail.com or kilowatt hour only motorcycles@gmail.com. So, and I'll provide an honest review of your product. Just let you know that. So, and thank you to those that have been reaching out. So, but yeah, that's it right here. I'm glad that I installed this, and I'll be taking a use that I'm going to be using it a lot, and I'll be able to put more stuff in there. It has a big space to put the helmet, whatever I need to put in here, gloves, jacket, whatever. I can do that. Winter is coming, so I gotta get some winter jacket and all that stuff in here, and ride during the winter. Yeah, I try to ride all year round, but things are different. I still try to ride out whenever I can. So, but I'll be riding more very soon. So stay tuned for more review about this, update review of this. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. If this is your first time, subscribe to the channel, and appreciate all my subscribers and those that left a comment. I really appreciate that. So with all that being said, see you in another video. Stay safe, ride safe. Bye bye.